Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here and continuing the vlog from yesterday, which is one basic recipe of cookie dough, and you can produce 4 cookies. This is cookie number 2, which is coffee flavor or mocha flavor cookies, and again, using the same basic recipe, you can produce various cookies. And yesterday was Nastar pineapple tart cookies, and today is coffee mocha cookies. And this one again, very easy to make and very tasty. My youngest really loves this cookie, not just because of the topping, which is 100 and 1000s or non-parails, but also because the flavor. He said he can taste coffee. It makes him feel like he's one of the older kids that can drink coffee. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So we're gonna cream our butter first. This is about 1 pound, 454 grams of unsalted butter, room temperature. So we're just gonna cream it first. Then add in about 3/4 cup of icing sugar. Then add in 3 yolks, but 1 yolk at a time. So every 1 yolk, you beat it or cream it. Also add in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, Mexican vanilla blend. That's 1 teaspoon. This is optional, but I like it with my cookies. Once butter is mixed together and creamed, add in all-purpose flour, a little at a time, and just fold it until they are completely combined and nice dough is formed. Once dough is formed, it's really nice and soft and tender. Divide dough into 4 equal portions. Add mocha seasoning, a couple drop of paste, maybe like 1/4 teaspoon each. Go and just knead it in until completely combined. Once combined, scoop with using cookie scoop, and then just shape it round, and then we're gonna roll it onto parails or 100 and 1000 like so. And then we're gonna place it a bit flattened onto our baking pan. We're gonna bake the cookies at 350 for 10 minutes.